Happy Halloween, everybody. It's October the 1st and I'm going to start doing a few Halloween things in between my countdown to Christmas and my other videos. I'm sorry I haven't really been up to speed this week. There's a lot going on in my life, and I will explain that all in my personal blog that I've been doing. This DIY, we're going to take this cute little Happy Halloween felt ornament from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to make it just a little bit more special than this little flimsy thing. So let's get right to it. We're going to use this design. They have some more at the Dollar Tree, but this was my favorite as a spider, and it says Happy Halloween, so we're going to use that. And we're going to use one or two things not from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use some googly eyes, my collection of googly eyes. I have a whole bag of them. If you don't have googly eyes, and they do have them at the Dollar Tree sometimes, some of the little press-on gems, different colors would work. I debated about using, I have some red crystal ones, but I didn't think they kind of went with the orange saying and the purple spider. So, but anyway, you're going to need some kind of glue, depending on where you're going to display this. In the South where I live, if you use hot glue on this and put it outside, it is going to fall apart. It's just too hot here. So I'll be using E6000. If you're in a cooler climate or you're going to be using it indoors, you could use a glue gun. And I have this other outdoor Loctite stick and seal outdoor adhesive. That's good too. So and the other ingredient or supply is one of these gold charger plates from the Dollar Tree. So let's get right into it, and let's make this, I don't know if it's a wreath or really what you want to call it, but this Halloween decoration. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole in this to put a hanger. I have tried everything in the world to glue a hanger on the back of this, on these chargers, with no success. Nothing sticks, nothing will stay. So I'm going to show you how to drill a hole in here to put a hanger. Since I'm in my kitchen on my counter, I'm going to put something under here to protect my counter, and I just got an old canvas, and I'm going to do it on the wooden part of it. I'm going to take my charger plate and put it so that the edge is right on top of the frame, so I don't drill down into my countertop. So, and when you see the drill bit I've got in this drill, y'all gonna, it's overkill, but it's already dark here, and I didn't want to walk out to my shop to get a smaller drill bit, but a smaller one would work just as well or even better. What we're gonna do is just pick where you want it, and we're going to press lightly, very lightly, and we're going to go very slowly. And it just takes a second, and you're through the plastic. And you'll have some little plastic burrs on there, and you can just pull those off with your hand, and then you have a hole for your hanger. Easy as that. I'm just going to put a black ribbon through the hole, and then we'll hang with that. As long as you go slow and do easy pressure, you won't crack your plate. When I first tried it, I did crack a plate. I cracked 2 plates, but anyway, a nice easy hole, nice and slow, and you've got it. Okay, so once we've got our hole drilled through our plate, we're just going to take a piece of black ribbon and feed it through to make our hanger. And I just put a long piece through here. I'm not quite sure how far I want this to hang down, so if I need to shorten it up later, I can. Okay, we got that done. Then we're going to take our little decoration, and we're going to center it where our hanger is going to be at the top. And it's great because this is round and we can line up our line up the circle on the inside of our spider web right on the inside of this charger plate. And then we're just going to glue it down with that circle. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on here and then stick it on my thing. And then if you have some clamps, you can put some clamps on here and clamp it down till it's dry. So I'm going to use my E6000 and glue this on here. If I can get some out of my tube. So I'm going to glue this down on my charger plate, kind of aligning it with the circle on the inside of my spider web, and I'm just going to put some dots of E6000 on it, position it, and then I have some clamps. I'm just going to clamp it down till it's dry. Okay, while we're waiting for our E6000 to dry, or if you used a glue gun, this would already be dry. We're going to go ahead, and I have all different size googly eyes in here, so I'm going to pick out which size. Try to vary them so it'll give it a little difference. And if I had some purple gems, I would put them on this spider's eyes so he'd have glowing purple eyes. For the eyes on the pumpkins, what I did was I took some orange gems and I glued them under the pumpkins so the eyes were kind of showing through. And then I just stuck some little orange gems on the spiders. And then for the eyes and the skull and the boo, I just used googly eyes. And then the big spider, I used googly eyes also. But that is it, y'all. That was so simple. Like I said, I'll explain more about what's going on in my life when I do my vlog. If y'all are interested and want to see it, just watch that and I'll explain more. But anyway, happy Halloween. This is the first Halloween craft that I've done, and I will work on some more. I do have a wreath coming up for Halloween, so we'll get to that in just a little bit.